is a high wind warning for the listening area in effect until 8 a.m. Monday. In Highland, Brown, Mason, Robertson, and Lewis counties, a wind advisory is in effect. South winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Remain in the lower levels of your home during this windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Travel may be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use caution if you must drive.